Today we will learn A to Z alphabets. Let's start! Yay! Let's start! A for apple.
A for apple.
A for apple. A for apple.
A for apple.
B for ball. B for ball. B for ball. Wow, a ball. Chirp, quack, hoot. C for cat. C for cat. C for cat. Meow. D for dog.
D for dog.
D for dog. E for elephant. E for elephant. E for elephant. F for fish.
F for fish.
F for fish. G for goat. G for goat. G for goat. H for hat.
H for hat.
H for hat. I for ice cream. I for ice cream. I for ice cream. J for jug. J for jug. J for jug. A jug. K for kite. K for kite. K for kite. L for lion. L for lion. L for lion.
M for mango.
M for mango.
M for mango.
N for nest.
N for nest.
N for nest. O for orange. O for orange. O for orange. P for parrot. P for parrot. P for parrot. Q for queen. Q for queen. Q for queen. R for rabbit.
R for rabbit.
R for rabbit. S for sun.
S for sun.
S for sun. T for tiger. T for tiger. T for tiger. Whoa! U for umbrella. U for umbrella. U for umbrella. V for van.
V for van.
V for van. W for watch.
W for watch.
W for watch. A watch appears. X for xylophone. X for xylophone. X for xylophone. Y for yak. Y for yak. Y for yak. Z for zebra. Z for zebra. Z for zebra.